Green's Lawn Care is in a league of our own when it comes to aeration and overseeding in our market. No one provides the same quality of service, and I mean no one. Let me show you what we do that is radically different. We send out a 2-person crew because when one person is aerating, the other person is using a garden weasel, walking around the property and breaking up any small area that you may have in your lawn. What this does is it allows more seed to soil contact so you can actually grow a thick, lush lawn before the next spring occurs. We only do a double pass aeration on every property, allowing more oxygen into the root zone. Even though some of our competitors will sell you at very similar price, they're only doing a single pass aeration and not getting as many holes into the lawn as you really need. We also put out 5 pounds of seed per 1,000 square feet, which is very, very different than some of our competitors. We know competitors out there that go as low as 1 pound of seed, and they're just trying to win customers on price, but not quality. We put a large yard sign in your yard, letting everyone know that your yard was just aerated and seeded, and to stay off your lawn. Because if you have somebody trampling over your grass that's just trying to germinate, a lot of it is going to die. So if you don't have those types of things, give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Follow us for more tips.